Good morning student. Today we will continue our chapter 15 perimeter and area. We are discussing about the perimeter. Perimeter of any closed surface, we can say sum of all sides. A surface which is made by line segment, we can say sum of all sides. One, suppose it means if you start from this point, then when you start to move around the boundary, then you will reach again here. Then sum of all the sides becomes the perimeter of the given figure. We discussed in previous lecture about the perimeter of rectangle. In rectangle there are two parameter. One is length and this one you can say breadth or width. What is a rectangle? A rectangle in a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a rectangle, and this one angle 90 degree. Then it means this one length is equal to, this is also length, this breadth and this also breadth. So we find out the formula that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B. Today we will discuss about the perimeter of regular shapes. We will discuss about the perimeter of regular shapes. What is the meaning of regular here? That in a closed figure, if all the sides are equal, then it is called a regular figure. We can talk about square. In a square, all the four sides are equal. So it is a regular shape, regular figure. In an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Or we can say in rhombus, all the sides are equal. Regular pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. All the sides are equal. In regular hexagon, all the sides are equal. These are the regular shapes. In a regular shape, we can say all the sides are equal. Square you can take, equilateral triangle, rhombus, regular pentagon, regular hexagon. Then what is the perimeter of regular shape? If we will talk about the square, in a square we know that there are 4 line segments, it means 4 sides. It means perimeter of square now we can use directly A plus A plus A plus A, that is equal to 4A. It means we can say 4 multiplied by side. We can use directly this formula that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. triangle has three sides and all the three sides are equal, it means we can say perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by side. Perimeter of rhombus also equal to 4 multiplied by side. Then perimeter of regular pentagon, 5 side, 5 multiplied by side. Perimeter of regular hexagon, we can say 6 multiplied by side. Except this, we have one isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? A triangle whose two sides are equal. कोई भी दो साइड अगर इक्वल है किसी भी ट्राइंगल में, then it is called isosceles triangle. Then what is the perimeter of it? A plus B. It means perimeter of isosceles triangle 2A plus B. It means 2 into equal side plus different side. This is the perimeter of isosceles triangle. Another one, perimeter of rhombus. Okay, all the these type of figure. Now today we will discuss the questions related to these figures. Example first. Find the perimeter of the square. Find the perimeter. First part is the square with side length 8 centimeter. The square with side length is equal to 8 centimeter. It means side 8 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 8. Answer is 32 centimeter. Next, see equilateral triangle with side length 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter of equilateral triangle. With side length 5 centimeter. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to what? 3 multiplied by side, that is 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 centimeter. Regular hexagon, that is 6 multiplied by side. Isosceles triangle, perimeter of isosceles triangle with equal side 4 centimeter and another side 3 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of isosceles triangle? 2 multiplied by equal side plus another side or other side, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 2 4 जा 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 centimeter. Let's see, these are the very simple example. Now see another examples. Find the length of the side is, find the length of the side is a square, side of a square if perimeter is, side of first part is a square with perimeter of 32 centimeter. Now what is given to you? Perimeter. So there is no need to do ratification of the formulas. We just write down that perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. This is equal to 32 is equal to 4 multiplied by side 32, then divide by 4 is equal to side, this become 8 centimeter is equal to side. Similarly see, it is given to you a piece of string is 48 centimeter long. Another question we are taking. Example number 3. A piece of string is 48 centimeter long. A piece of string is 48 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side? What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form, if the string is used to form first a square, second equilateral triangle and equilateral triangle. See, a regular octagon. See this type of question. एक string, a piece of string is 48 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. तुम्हारे पास एक string का piece है, मतलब एक string का टुकड़ा है कितना 48 सेंटीमीटर. अगर हमारे हाथ में एक thread है, उस thread को हम किसी भी shape में convert कर सकते हैं. We can make a square from the thread. We can make equilateral triangle. We can make octagon. We can make circle. We can make triangle. Any shape you can give as you desire. So what is given here, that is string is 48 centimeter long. It is similar to, we can say that a thread is 48 centimeter long. We want to convert into the square. उसी string को हमें square में change करना है. तो it means अगर हमने string का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ये लिया है, तो आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग इनटू द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर एंडिंग पॉइंट यहाँ आना चाहिए. और स्ट्रिंग के पूरे की लेंथ कितनी है हमारे पास 48 सेंटीमीटर. इट मीन्स ये 48 सेंटीमीटर व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट इनटू द स्क्वायर देन इट बिकम्स द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर. क्योंकि हमने क्या किया है 48 सेंटीमीटर की जो लेंथ की स्ट्रिंग थी उसी को कन्वर्ट किया है स्क्वायर के अंदर. तो इट मीन्स In this figure we can say perimeter of the square is equal to length of the string. क्योंकि जितनी हमारे पास स्ट्रिंग की लेंथ होगी हमें उससे completely यूज करना है और उससे स्क्वायर बनाना है. So we can say in this case that perimeter of square is equal to length of string. यहाँ हम किसी भी चीज से स्क्वायर बनाते हैं, स्क्वायर बॉक्स को बनाते हैं, तो अगर हम उसे ओपन कर देंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, एक स्ट्रेट फिगर. उसकी लेंथ हम स्केल से या रूलर से मेजर कर सकते हैं. देन व्हाट वी कैन से पैरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इट बिकम्स हियर लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. जब हम इसे कंप्लीटली ओपन कर देंगे देन इट्स द सेम लाइक दिस 48 सेंटीमीटर. इट मीन्स दिस इज इक्वल टू 48 सेंटीमीटर. बट वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच साइड. हमें स्क्वायर की साइड की वैल्यू बतानी है. तो व्हाट इज द पैरीमीटर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला? वी कैन से इट इज इक्वल टू 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ साइड. इट मीन्स साइड इज इक्वल टू 48 डिवाइड बाय 4. देन इट बिकम्स 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, that is equal to 12 centimeter. So this type, similarly equilateral triangle, then this is also equal to perimeter of equilateral triangle, that is 3 multiplied by side is equal to 48. Then you can find out your side is equal to 48 by 3, that is equal to 16. Octagon is what? That it has a side 8. It means what we will do? For the each side we have to take divide by 8. So this time we find out the side of each given figure. Now you can do complete your exercise 15B based on these formulas. Thank you.